Are you ready for another adventure? We are. Where are we going today, Val?
We found a zoo we've never been to. We are at the Louisville Zoo.
All right, let's go.
We're at the Louisville Zoo waiting for opening. It's like 5 till 10. They open at 10. We got our tickets here because I knew we're Columbus Zoo members and most zoos are reciprocal, so you get a discount. So we got 50% off, so that was a deal. But yeah, there's lots of kids. There's tons of school groups here today, so we're gonna take it easy and see what we see. It's a pretty small group,
Say that again.
pretty small zoo, but I think you just kind of make a loop and you see everything, so should be good.
The zoo has opened. Val is saying she really likes this little decoration here at the opening. All right, Val?
It's pretty.
Walking through the little tunnel of flowers. They have a carousel in here for your little kiddos. We have some warthogs right back there.
Pumbaa from the Lion King.
What'd you just say?
It's Pumbaa from the Lion King. Yes, everything can be related to Disney.
Going into the giraffe house. Let's go.
Let's go, my favorite.
So apparently the giraffe house contains birds.
Sign says the birds of North Africa.
The birds of North Africa in the giraffe house. Right?
Right.
The giraffes are outside instead of in their cage right now, so we're gonna go outside. There's one right over there. Don't see any other at the present time. Playing with the barrel. That's pretty funny. Another walkthrough. What was you saying, Val?
They have something called Wild Lights. I think it's a light show at night. So that's what all the flowers and lights are for.
Here's a map of the zoo. In case you decide to come. Have a little snapshot for you.
Ooh, we have to choose left or right. I guess we keep going left.
More birds over here. I believe these may be vultures. They are huge.
They're griffin vultures.
Excuse me?
The sign says they're griffin vultures.
There's also some cranes in here. Some bongos back there as well. I wonder if those are related to one of your favorites at the Columbus Zoo.
The okapi?
Yes.
They do look a little similar with those stripes. I don't think so. Because okapis are related to giraffes.
Looks like we should be getting into the elephant section. Hopefully we see some soon.
So it says, I don't know how many elephants they have, but it says 2 of them are moving to the elephant sanctuary in Tennessee in spring of 2025. There's an elephant sanctuary in Tennessee. That needs to be Googled. Let's go.
So the elephants aren't out yet?
They're not. We heard a rumor they're headed out, so we're gonna watch the door for a few minutes. Meanwhile, I'm Googling elephant sanctuary in Tennessee. It's a real place.
While we're waiting on the elephants to come out, let's take a look at the camels.
Well, 2 humps are characteristic of its relative. The Bactrian camel? Bactrian camel? The camel.
Looks like there are camel rides here.
Yeah.
Ready to go. Ready to take people for a ride. What we see, a lion.
Several. 3. You see the male back there?
Oh, yeah, I do now.
You want to stand here and take a picture?
Wow. That's pretty cool.
We're like so close. I mean, there's fence and gaps, but we're pretty close.
Yeah, exactly. I think this is the closest I've ever been
Yeah, I'd say.
to a lion.
Yeah, that's pretty good. And like no glass, so there's no like glare. A lot of places have the glass. Yeah, they're right there. That's pretty cool. Good job, Louisville Zoo.
So while we were looking at camels and lions, an elephant snuck out. That is a big elephant.
It is a big one.
We're gonna hang out for a minute, see if more comes out. Here comes another elephant.
Come out here.
Aww.
Making his grand entrance.
Right there.
And that is even a bigger elephant. Pretty cool.
It is. We don't usually see them walking around at the Columbus Zoo. They're like standing there eating usually. It's kind of fun to watch them the first time they came outside.
Behind us are the zebras. So zebra is not in your top 5, Val?
I mean, they're fun to look at, but they just kind of stand there.
Well, giraffes kind of stand there too, and that's your favorite.
But they're so tall, they're cool.
I get
Gotta
it.
have some kind of cool feature. Don't mess with my giraffes.
Valerie gotta get a zebra selfie.
I know we said they weren't my favorite or my top 5, but they were right there. When else are you gonna get a selfie with the zebra?
Right there on top. They're posing like always.
They're so cute. These might be in my top 5.
What is it?
It's a meerkat.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
There's one right there. They're so cute.
They live stream their meerkats. You can watch them 24/7. There we go, louisvillezoo.org/live. Or use the QR code now.
Now we're in the gorilla forest. What do you think we're going to see here, Val?
I don't know. Let's guess.
Yes, we know there's a glare, but in the next video clip, we're going inside to look at the gorillas. We're going to go inside and see if we see any gorillas. So that was pretty cool, but they make you walk a long way to get to see them.
But the gorillas were good.
Coming up on the leopards and tigers. Well, there were no tigers out. Let's see if there's some leopards out.
I see it. I see it.
Well, there it is, right in front of us. Hanging out.
Hey, what do you think on the glass? What do you think would happen if I banged on the glass?
Here's one walking on this little arrangement they have for him.
Sit over here with the boys.
Another snow leopard.
Or sit on the ground, Wade.
Now we're walking through this like dragon walkthrough they have. I bet the festival thing is pretty cool, but we can't come back. We have plans.
Yes, we do. But we're walking through the dragon. Val, what do you have to your right?
We have a giant octopus. Let's check it out.
Yes, indeed. Again, it's probably lit up at night.
Yeah, there's some event. They said the zoo, everyone has to leave by 6, and then like they start at 7, I think, with the lights. Oh well.
All right, we're going into Glacier Run, where they have some polar bears and sea lions. Looks like a little village back here or something. Pretty cool, right, Val?
It is. But like, why is the store not open? I want to shop.
Here's a polar bear right here. Playing.
His name is Bo.
They got a really nice polar exhibit here.
They do, and there was a sign back in, it was like 2012, they got like an award for best animal habitat or something. It's pretty cool.
Coming up on the sea lions. Oh, there's some over there.
I think they might have a walkthrough like we do in Columbus. It's kind of what this looks like. Let's go see.
There's the polar bear swimming. How cool is that? So that was really cool.
That was really fun. See the polar bear underwater dive, and that was cool.
So Val,
Yeah.
what do we got left?
I think we have Australia like wallabies and lorikeets, and then there was a walkthrough with like flamingos, and it said American cats. I don't know what that is. So not much. We're almost done.
Not quite sure what this is, but there it is.
I think it's an emu, right?
You thinking it's an emu?
It's an emu, like an Australian ostrich.
Could be. I tell you what, let's be a little bit interactive and ask our viewers to leave it in the comments below.
Ed's gonna feed the birds. Let's go. If you want to feed the birds, for members it's $2. For non-members, it's $3. Oh my, they've landed on that guy. Ed's excited.
I get to feed the birds. I think they even land on it too. I love it.
He's so excited. I'm not.
Right there.
We're waiting our turn. Oh, there's one on the door. Here, here. It's not my favorite. Let's just say that.
I hope they land on her too.
Ed got one as soon as he came in the door. Aw, he's cute. He's got one. We barely walked in. Ed has a friend. Oh, jeez. Oh, I don't like it. Oh, wow, he's covered. Oh, oh.
I love it.
Oh, please don't land on me.
Land on the camera, lady.
Cute. Oh my goodness. That was perfect.
On my head.
Oh my goodness.
There we go. The bird whisperer.
Mm-hmm.
Biting on my hat.
Stay over there, birds. Stay over there. I don't have any nectar.
Land on the camera, lady.
That's funny. Like, hello, he's got nectar. Oh,
Valerie is squinting her
I'm
eyes.
still safe. Oh, they like your head. It's pecking at your glasses.
Yeah, I know. You're talking to him.
This little guy is getting all the nectar. That cup is almost empty. Oh, okay. He decided to share. They're like twins.
My hair now. What's the matter, buddy? Oh, he left.
He's like, oh good, I get the last little bit. He's chewing your collar, he's chewing your ear.
You're back with that.
Oh, ah! It's on me! Get it off me! Don't like it! Don't like it! Get it off me! Get it off me! Please don't! I can't! How do I do that? There's a bird on me!
I love it.
I don't have any nectar! I'm not on my phone! I don't like it! Oh, it's on my hand. Oh, get it! No! Fly away, please don't make a nest.
Oh, that's so funny.
Oh, hello, hi. Yes.
Not doing anything.
I know, he's fine. We're great, having a good time. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you. Oh, that one's pooping, so don't stand under it.
That was the greatest thing about this Louisville Zoo so far because I love my birds.
Yeah, it was a good one. We've had a few where they don't get on you, they don't want to eat. That one, they were super active. You saw crawling all over us.
But if you want to go back and watch a better one, watch the Tampa Bay, was it Zoo?
Yeah, the Tampa Zoo Tampa. That was our best bird feeding.
Yes,
Oh,
absolutely.
yeah. But that one was good. Louisville Zoo,
Yes.
that was good.
Yes. We were going to do the Wallaroo walkabout, but it is closed today. Opens at 1, we'll be gone.
It's open 1 to 3. No kangaroos, bummer.
Looks like we have flamingos and wildcats left. Let's go see where they are. I forgot about the red pandas. Oh, there's one up there. Barely seen. Apparently there is a sloth along the way as well. There it is right there.
He's got a big seashell. One time, and he wasn't. I saw him when he was getting up.
Sleep.
No, Lily, because she's lazy. Look.
We're coming up on the flamingos, but guess what we didn't see today?
What?
My beloved ostriches.
There were no ostriches.
Bummer. Now here's the flamingos over here.
Nothing. What is You can see nothing in it.
A lot and a very big area.
Dude, it's a huge area for all these flamingos.
So Val,
Yeah.
can you answer this question? Flamingos are born white, so what makes them turn pink?
They eat shrimp, and the shrimp make them turn pink.
Very good. You passed the test.
Yay.
It is a Canada lynx. Here is a couple bald eagles.
Here's one of your favorites.
Yep, love the bald eagles.
It's weird seeing them down low.
All right, that about wraps up the Louisville Zoo. We have found the exit, which is the same as the entrance. We're gonna make our way out of here. See if Val gets anything at the gift shop though. Big gift shop. Cute pins.
They're magnets. I wasn't gonna get a magnet, but look how cute these are. This one, the little giraffe moves. And these are all like 3D. Oh, the leopard or cougar. What is that? Cheetah. They're cute.
What do we have over here, Val?
You can get a Lego set and build your own animal.
Yes, indeed.
You can have a giraffe. Oh, sorry, it's not Lego. It's mini building blocks.
A ton of plush, if that's your thing. So I don't recall Meerkat being in your top 5.
I know, but I mean, at least top 10 now. I don't know. We don't have them at the Columbus Zoo, so it's never really been on my radar a whole lot. But they're fun. Okay, and I do think, hot take, if you're at a zoo, you should only have plushes for animals you have at your zoo. There's hyenas, there's pandas. No, zoo animals only.
Well, that does it here from the Louisville Zoo. What'd you think, Val?
I liked it. It was a lot bigger than we thought. We walked a ton. Some good animals. Lorikeets were definitely Ed's highlight.
Right.
I'd say the polar bear was mine. That was pretty cool. There were some other good moments. Some animals weren't on exhibit, but you'll have that anywhere. But yeah, pretty good zoo. I like the layout. You literally just walked in a circle. Perfect.
And as always, thanks for watching our videos, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Bye.